Oh, shit.
It just kind of works out that good, you know.
See, I've tried a red. I've been red before, and it didn't look good on me. And then I've been a red brown before, which did not look good on me. And I've been brown, which did not look good on me. So I'm wondering, well, jet black, though. I mean, that goes with everything. It looks good on everyone, you know? Like, because I feel like with certain, like with the brown, I couldn't wear certain colors. You know?
Color.
Right, like colors. My clothes.
Colors.
And with the red, when I had the red, I hated it. I hated it because
You guys are about to hear my favorite all-time song from since when I was little.
Oh, Lord, what is it? Jeez. Buttermilk biscuits.
Here we go. Sit the fire.
Okay, are we doing my hair or no?
Yes, Brooke. I'm just putting on my music.
We're just fucking around here because Brooke can't see shit no more, so we're just gonna do whatever the fuck we want behind her back because she can't see it. She can't tell me.
Here we go.
Fuck me. Girl, why do you do this?
Put the needle on the record.
Oh my God.
Put the needle on the record.
Is this the pom-pom?
This is 7 Minutes of Madness. This is my favorite fucking song.
This is a journey
Into South.
You like all the, like, weird
Shut up. What's the song?
new dimension
have no
value.
I like the theme stuff.
You're gonna want it.
Oh, I'm sure I will.
Because he's thinking of a
We
master
have a
plan.
lot of the same things.
Thinking of a master plan.
Door is ready. I throw this switch. Pump up the volume. Pump up the volume.
It's just like a mixture of different
Is it solo?
songs. Is that what's going on here?
What?
It's a mixture of different songs. It's not just...
It's just 7 Minutes of Madness, girl.
Oh, 7 Minutes of Madness.
This is what I said.
Well, you know what? The only thing that drives me crazy about those kind of things is when you get a really good song that you fucking love and you want to keep going because your favorite part's coming up and then they fucking switch it at the very second you're due for your 15 seconds of owning that fucking song. Boy, the minute switches. It's just fun. It's so awesome.
I wish I could bleed loud.
Oh my God. The music just turns me
He's thinking of a master plan.
Okay. Are we ready to quit recording now? Because I'm using up a lot of space. And I'm sure we're going to want to use some more of it later.
Yeah, why?
Thinking of a master plan.
I'm shining.
Thinking of a master plan. Death with the record. Death with the record. Thinking of a master plan.
I'm shining.
Sweat inside my hands, so I think.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
Thinking how I'm gonna get some next present.